Welcome to Think Beyond Success Online English. My name is Aisha, and in today's video we are going to dive into a skill that is essential for effective communication, and that is thought articulation. By the end of this video, you will be having the tool you needed to express your thoughts with clarity and confidence. Friends, does this happen with you anytime that you find yourself struggling to express yourself, leaving others in confusion or misunderstanding your interpretation? Friends, have you ever experienced this situation where just because you were unable to convey your message properly, you spoiled your relationship? Friends, does this happen with you, that sometimes you were discussing something very important topic, very important point, and later you found yourself lost of track discussing something, some other point that was irrelevant to your main discussion? Friends, sometimes you may have also experienced this situation, that to express your thoughts, ideas clearly, you may have not found the right word at right time. Friends, if you have experienced all these situations, fear not, you are not alone. It happens with everyone. It is common. It is a general problem, general issue. Everyone experiences this same. But thinking that it is a common issue, it is a general issue, leaving yourself with the problem forever is not, I would not suggest you to stay with this problem forever. Instead, you have to work towards solving this issue, to fixing this problem as early as possible. Fear not, friends, I am here. I am going to give you 4 simple yet effective strategies to overcome this thought articulation and to master this skill. The number 1 strategy is introspect and action. Start identifying your number 1 problem, your number 1 challenge. For example, if you are facing interview rejection several times, sit with pen and paper, identify the problem, introspect yourself. What is holding you back from clearing the interview? Is it your resume? Is it your grooming? Is it your skill or knowledge that is needed for the post? I would suggest you to sit in front of a mirror and have a role play with your own reflection in the mirror. Assume the reflection in the mirror as a client, and client is having a problem and you are helping the client in finding out the solution. Okay, so ask appropriate question and try to find out the possible solution. Friends, by doing this strategy, by following this strategy, I would suggest you to make record all these things on your mobile. Okay, make a video record, so that what will happen, you will train your brain by doing all this process, by helping you to find out the problem and what could be the best solution for it. And this process will help you master thought articulation, and it will help you in critical thinking, friends. Number 2 strategy is topic, focus and pace. What is topic, focus and pace? Friends, if you are finding yourself often not staying with one topic, you find yourself jumping from one point to another point, jumping from one topic to another topic, and you're not able to continue the conversation on one particular topic for a long time. So then what you have to do is, initially in the beginning stage, you have to have a mindful talk. Mindful talk means you should be aware what you are speaking. You should not speak casually. You should have a mindful talk. Mind your words, mind your language, mind what conversation you are having. So have a watch on your conversation, and so that what will happen, it will make you stay focused, remain to one particular point, one particular topic. And secondly, I would suggest you to reduce your speed. Reduce your speed. It is not like go very slow nor go very fast. Maintain an average speed where you allow the time your mind to process. Where why we actually jump from point to point, because we speak fast and our brain doesn't function at the same speed. Our brain doesn't process at the same speed, and our brain doesn't provide information with the same speed. So what is happening here, there is misbalance, like okay, our brain is not processing fast but we are speaking fast, and we are not having something to speak, and we jump from one point to another point. So when you reduce your speed, what will happen, your brain is processing at the same speed and you are also speaking at the same speed. So you will remain on the main point and main topic for long, and you can have the fruitful conversation. When there is a clarity in your brain, in your mind, there is a clarity in your speech, friends. So follow this technique, reduce the speed and have mindful talk. You see yourself, there is a drastic change, drastic improvement. Your conversation will be fruitful conversation. Number 3 is utilize brief pause technique. What is brief pause techniques? Friends, somebody asks us any question and we human beings tend to reply very fast, immediately, without thinking. We think that if we reply spontaneously, if we reply immediately, we sound fluent, but that is not actually the case, friends. If you reply immediately, you don't provide the enough time, the sufficient time to your brain to process the information. What is the question and what you should reply, what could be the best answer for that. Instead, that what will happen, we reply immediately. So I would suggest you, before you answer, before you open your mouth, before you start your speech, take a brief pause. Brief pause, it depends how long you should take the pause. Okay, it depends person to person, it depends on the topic, what exactly you are discussing. So before you start the conversation, before you reply, before you answer, take a moment, few moments to think about it and to gather information about it, and then you speak. So by providing this time to brain to process, what will happen, your brain will process the information, fetch the information, and it will provide you the right information. And this technique is going to help you a lot to have a very thoughtful, mindful and to the point conversation, and this is really going to work like a magic. But initially you may take a long pauses. Later on, as time passes, this pauses duration will come down and eventually disappear. You don't by this pause technique, you need not to have this pause technique, because your brain is trained by the time. So what will happen, by the time your brain process, by the time you get used to this thought articulation, you need to use this brief pause technique, friends. Number 4 is improve your vocabulary. So friends, how does vocabulary help us? If you have a good range of vocabulary, you can have a precise conversation, you can make your conversation more vibrant, more colorful. So how to improve vocabulary? Improving vocabulary doesn't mean like mug up the entire dictionary or something like that. So to improve vocabulary, what simple thing you have to do is you have to find out, you have to identify what general conversation you have. So for example, if you are a sport person, if you are a sport enthusiast, then you have to listen to the commentary, then you have to read article related to sports, you have to watch sports news or something. So what will happen, you will collect the particular vocabulary what you needed to converse. Like if you are a movie person, then you have to pick up the magazine or articles, and then you have to start reading, start listening that talk shows or something like that. Then when you converse, what will happen, automatically the vocabulary what you have listened, what you have heard, what you have read will come during your conversation, and that will help you to have a precise and colorful conversation, friends. So I hope this 4 technique is going to help you really to improve your thought articulation and to make your conversation more effective and to leave a ever long lasting impression on your listener. Friends, I would suggest you to apply all these techniques and see the result, and don't forget to drop a message to me how helpful these techniques to you. I will meet you in my next videos. Till then, take care, stay safe, and remember, keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now.